We've all been there. The small kitchen. It's the heart of the home, where meals are made, memories are shared, and chaos erupts. Especially in 2024, when open floor plans and gourmet cooking shows have us dreaming big, even in tiny spaces. You try clever storage solutions, declutter every week, but somehow the clutter always wins. Fear not, fellow small kitchen warriors, because today we're serving up a piping hot dish of small kitchen remodel hacks for 2024. Forget major home remodeling projects and exorbitant budgets. These hacks are all about maximizing space and functionality with smart design, a little DIY spirit, and a whole lot of creativity. So grab your tools, your notebook, and your open mind, because in the next 7 minutes we're going to turn your cramped kitchen into a culinary oasis, fit for a chef, even if you're just mastering mac and cheese. Get ready to say goodbye to the clutter and hello to the home improvement magic of small kitchen remodel hacks in 2024. Buckle up and let's get started. Maximize space hacks. Cramped kitchen got you feeling like a hobbit in Mordor? Fear not, fellow small space dwellers. Today we're unleashing the inner giant in your tiny kitchen with a buffet of space-maximizing hacks for 2024. Vertical storage superstars, budget-friendly, $20 to $100. Wall warriors, ditch bulky overhead cabinets for floating shelves. These airy beauties showcase your favorite mugs and spices, adding light and personality. Budget-conscious? Repurpose vintage ladders or reclaimed wood for a unique touch. Bonus points for DIY cred. Hanging heroes. Unleash the power of unused walls. Install hanging organizers for utensils, pot lids, and even mini herb gardens. Think sleek metal grids or rustic wooden pegboards. Prices vary, but most organizers cost under $50, and DIY pegboards can be even cheaper. Corner champions. Don't let those awkward L-shaped corners collect dust bunnies. Invest in corner shelves or lazy Susans. These space-saving wonders maximize storage and make reaching forgotten items a breeze. Corner shelves start at around $30, while lazy Susans are a tad pricier at $50+. Cabinet transformation tricks. Budget-friendly to moderate, $20 to $200. Pull-out. Power. Ditch the cabinet contortionist act. Upgrade deep cabinets with pull-out shelves and drawers. Not only will you find everything easily, but you'll gain the illusion of twice the space. Prices vary based on size and quality, but expect to spend $50 to $200 per cabinet. Undersink savvy. Don't let the pipes rule your world. Utilize undersink organizers for cleaning supplies, sponges, or even hidden spice racks. Look for stackable trays, tiered shelves, or hanging baskets to maximize the space. Most options are under $50. Multifunctional furniture. Masters of disguise. Ottoman oasis. Double the duty with a storage ottoman. Tuck away blankets, games, or extra plates while adding comfy seating. Prices range from $100 to $300 depending on size and upholstery. Choose one with a removable lid for easy access. Island allure. If space allows, consider a compact kitchen island. This multitasking marvel can offer built-in cabinets, shelving, a breakfast bar, or even a prep sink. While it can be a splurge, think $500+, it adds major functionality and dining options. Bonus hack. Rethink your appliances. Consider a compact under-counter refrigerator or 2-in-1 appliances like a toaster oven air fryer combo. These space-saving wonders free up valuable counter space and keep your kitchen clutter-free. Remember, home improvement is a canvas for your creativity. Adapt these hacks to fit your style and budget. And hey, a fresh coat of paint on those old cabinets can work wonders in a 2024 kitchen. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll unlock the secrets of boosting functionality in your small kitchen and turn you into a culinary efficiency master. Boost functionality hacks. Turning your tiny kitchen into a culinary dynamo. Welcome back, small kitchen champions. We've mastered space, and now it's time to boost functionality and make your kitchen work as hard as you do. Get ready to unleash your inner chef with these clever hacks for 2024. The mighty triangle. Arrange your sink, stove, and fridge in a triangle formation. This classic home remodeling trick minimizes steps and maximizes efficiency. It's free to rearrange, but you might need an electrician or plumber for appliance relocation. Expect costs around $100+. Prep zones galore. Create dedicated prep areas with cutting boards, utensil holders, and spice racks. Think vertical knife blocks or magnetic strips for easy access. These range from $20 to $50, and DIY options are even cheaper. Hang 'em high. Free up counter space and add a rustic touch with retractable pot racks or ceiling hooks. Hang your most used pots, pans, and utensils for a functional kitchen that's also a visual feast. Costs vary, but expect to spend around $50 to $100 for a good quality rack or set of hooks. Folding wonders. Expand your workspace with folding cutting boards that tuck away when not in use. Look for ones that fit over the sink or slide out from under counters, around $3,100. Spice it up. Create a built-in spice rack within a narrow cabinet or on the backsplash. This keeps your spices organized and accessible while saving precious counter space. DIY options using wood or metal can be done for under $50. Butcher block beauty. Consider a butcher block countertop extension. It adds warmth, provides a durable prep surface, and can even double as a breakfast bar. Prices vary depending on size and material, but expect to spend $100 to $300. Touchless magic. Upgrade to a touchless faucet for a hygienic and hands-free experience. Prices start at around $100. Pull-down power. Invest in a pull-down spray faucet with multiple spray modes. It expands your cleaning reach and makes filling pots a breeze. Expect to spend $150 to $300 for a good quality model. Pot filler paradise. If you're a soup and pasta lover, consider a pot filler faucet near your stove. It eliminates heavy lifting and potential spills. This is a splurge, around $300+, but it's a game changer for frequent cooks. Remember, the most important ingredient in any home improvement project is your imagination. Customize these hacks to fit your unique needs and style. And don't forget to have fun while transforming your small kitchen into a culinary powerhouse. So there you have it, fellow tiny kitchen warriors, a treasure trove of small kitchen remodel hacks for 2024. We've maximized space, boosted functionality, and turned your culinary corner into a haven of efficiency and creativity. Remember, home improvement isn't about breaking the bank, it's about breaking free from limitations. With a little DIY spirit, smart planning, and these powerful hacks, you've proven that size doesn't matter when it comes to creating a kitchen you love. So raise a toast, or a smoothie if you're feeling healthy, to your newfound kitchen magic. You've conquered the clutter, boosted the functionality, and unleashed the true potential of your small space. But our journey doesn't end here. In our next video, we'll be stepping into the world of luxury kitchen appliances. We'll review high-end ovens, refrigerators, and more, discussing their pros and cons for different budgets. Can a $10,000 oven really make you a better cook? Is that smart fridge worth the hype? We'll delve into the world of these culinary marvels and help you decide if they're a dream come true or a budget nightmare. So, subscribe to our channel and join us on this exciting exploration of luxury kitchen appliances. We'll leave no countertop unturned.